Students, we are going to continue the chemical properties of the metal. First property, reaction of metals with oxygen, we discussed in the previous lecture. Now today we will discuss the second property of metals, that is reaction of metals with water. Now how we will see in this lecture how different metals react with different types of water like cold water, hot water or steam, because in reactivity series we see that all types of metals do not react in a same manner. We will see in detail now. First of all, I will tell you that metals react with water. Metals react with water to form metal oxides, and hydrogen gas is produced. Some of the metals which are soluble, they further get dissolved. To form metal hydroxides. Metal oxides, they further get dissolved to form metal hydroxides. Now we will see that how the different metals react. As we know, sodium and potassium are very much reactive. They react very violently with cold water. And they produce their hydroxides, and lot of heat is produced. Hydrogen gases produce, heat energy is also produced. Like we will see that here is potassium. If it will react with water, it will form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen, and heat energy is produced. Same is in the case of sodium. When it reacts with water, it forms sodium hydroxide, hydrogen gas is produced, and lot of heat energy is produced. Students, when the sodium or potassium reacts with water, this reaction is so violent. Lot of heat energy is produced, and hydrogen gas produced can be explosive also, because this reaction is very much violent and exothermic, because heat energy is produced. I will balance this reaction. Now second we come, these two metals, sodium and potassium, they react with cold water. Now third we come to the calcium. Calcium is the next metal we are going to discuss. When calcium is dissolved in cold water, calcium hydroxide is produced. And hydrogen gas is also produced. But this reaction is not so violent. Because the hydrogen gas produced is very less, so that it cannot catches fire. The calcium comes on the top of the water, and bubbles of hydrogen gas are settled down on the surface of the water. So calcium do not react violently with cold water. Now next come to the turn of the magnesium. Magnesium do not react with cold water. Magnesium metal do not react with cold water. It reacts with hot water. To produce magnesium hydroxide. Same is the case in the case of magnesium like calcium. The magnesium comes floats on the top, because the bubbles of hydrogen gas produced are settled on the surface of the container. Right? Now next we will see that how other metals react, like aluminium, zinc and iron. They do not react with cold water or hot water. Right? They do not react with hot water or cold water. They react with what? They react with steam. Steam. Now we will write the chemical equation. Here is aluminium and it will react with steam. Steam is also a form of water, students, because when we heat the water, the steam is produced. Here aluminium oxide is produced, right? Aluminium reacts with steam to form aluminium oxide, and we all know that which gas is produced? Hydrogen gas is produced. So aluminium, zinc and iron do not react with cold water or hot water. Instead, they react with steam. Now there are few elements we know that they do not react with, like mercury, silver and gold. They do not react with any of these types of water, hot water, cold water or steam, because they do not react with water at all. In the reactivity series also, they are at the bottom because they are least reactive with other things. Now I repeat, we did reaction of metals with water. When metals react with water, they form metal oxides and hydrogen gas is produced. Further, the metal oxides which are soluble, they further dissolve and we get metal hydroxides. And some metals react with cold water so violently, lot of heat energy is produced. It is an exothermic reaction. If the heat produced can also catch fire. Calcium also reacts with cold water, but not so violently like potassium and sodium. Magnesium element or metal reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide. The metals aluminium, zinc and iron, they do not react with cold water or hot water. They react with steam. And the three elements or three metals which are on the bottom of the reactivity series, like mercury, silver and gold, they do not react with water because they are very least reactive. This is all about the reaction of metals with water. In the next lecture, we will see the next chemical property, like reaction of metals with the acids. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.